Hi, my name is Daniel, and I'm a rising junior at Gunn High School, and this is my third and final milestone for my main project, the three-jointed arm. So for my third milestone, what I did was that I recoded my arm to move in a more user-friendly way. So how I originally had it coded was that the user would type in an integer between 1 and 4, and then they would type in the less than or greater than key to either increment or decrement the degree of that servo. Now I change it so that the user would type in either W, A, S, or D to actually move the arm. So when I type in S, it'll go down, and D, it'll move it to my right. And I can type in O to open up the claw, and I can now try to pick up this tape dispenser. And now I can pick it up and move it to the other side. So how this works is that I give my arm a specific coordinate that I want it to be at, and then I used equations to convert that coordinate point into a degree in the servo so that I can actually move to that spot. Also, I had another equation to make it so that the claw is always pointing perpendicular to the ground when possible. So one of the main things that I struggled with was actually converting the coordinate point into the degrees of the servo, because in order to actually reach a specific point, there's actually two possible answers. And also I was using sine and cosine, and those were giving me like multiple answers. So I need to figure out a way to actually give only one answer for each servo. So what I did is that I discovered that one equation was relevant on like one side of the arm, and another equation was relevant on the other side of the arm. And also for the sine and cosine situation, what I did was that I actually plotted each point and where they would be relevant and not relevant, and I found an equation to figure out what when the equation is relevant and not. So I put that into my code to actually simplify things. So in the future, I am planning on possibly adding image recognition so that I could have my arm pick up a specified object. And also another add-on that I was thinking about was adding another degree of rotation so that instead of just only picking up items in a specific line, I can have it pick up in a radius instead. And another modification that I was thinking about was actually creating my own wireless controller so that I could actually control my arm from any distance. Thank you.